Hello and welcome to the Met Office week ahead forecast. It's been such a dry summer so far, particularly across parts of England and Wales, that people are starting to ask the question, not often asked, of British weather. When will we see rainfall? And the answer this week is, well, we'll see a few showers, but nothing particularly useful to water the gardens or the farms, particularly across England and Wales, where we'll see plenty of sunny spells. And although it will be a little cooler over the next few days, temperatures will heat up again by the end of the week. Now, this is the stark contrast in temperatures as we begin the working week. Still hot air there across the southeast, 31 or 32 degrees, but a cold front's crossing the country from the west and further west, closer to 20 degrees. That cold front sweeps through later Monday, and that means on Tuesday temperatures do take a dip with 24, 25 in the southeast and closer to 20 elsewhere. But the cold front itself not bringing a huge amount of useful rainfall. It disappears there into the North Sea by the start of Tuesday. And for many, we return to sunny skies up and down the country. Just some lingering cloud and rain there for Shetland. Otherwise, sunny spells, but shower clouds building on Tuesday afternoon. And some of these showers will be pretty hefty with the odd rumble of thunder, particularly northeast England into parts of eastern Scotland, where they will be slow moving. So if you get caught in a downpour, perhaps an inch or so of rainfall in a few hours. But the hit and miss nature of showers mean that some areas will escape them entirely and stay dry, particularly further south, where we'll see plenty of sunny skies, and that's where the warmest temperatures will be. Now into Wednesday, and barely an isobar on the weather map, and that means still weather patterns will be very slow moving. And although high pressure is penciled in there across the British Isles, and although there are very few weather fronts nearby, well, the jet stream is taking a bit of a dip to the south of the UK, and what that indicates is that high in the sky we've got low pressure. And that just helps to aid the development of showers on Wednesday. So a similar day on Wednesday with the sunny start and then shower clouds building through the day, perhaps the odd heavy downpour, but again, hit and miss. So some areas getting perhaps a watering, but others staying entirely dry with plenty of sunshine and temperatures rising mid, perhaps high 20s in the southeast, closer to 20 further north and west. By Thursday, the showers more or less disappear. Couldn't rule out the odd one developing, but for most it's a sunny day. Eastern Scotland down into England and Wales, long spells of sunshine. And the heat continues to build, mid to high 20s once again. But you'll notice there cloud and some rain turning up by the end of the afternoon into western Scotland. Now this is associated with a weather front that's moving in over the top of a ridge of high pressure. That ridge keeping things fine for the majority of the British Isles, but the weather front there bringing additional cloud and some rain in by Friday into Scotland and Northern Ireland. So a cloudier day for much of Scotland and Northern Ireland as we end the working week. A few dribs and drabs of rainfall, but really it's only western Scotland likely to see some useful rainfall out of this. Further south, and the hot sunshine continues. As that heat builds, 29, perhaps 30 degrees, couldn't rule out a downpour, say for the far southeast, but otherwise we end the working week with plenty more hot sunshine. And it's a similar theme as we go into the weekend. Still, some weather fronts affecting northwestern parts of the country, and they'll start to drift their way southwards, but they disappear into this huge area of high pressure that's ridging across the UK. And the story as we go into the weekend is the jet stream riding high over the country and allowing even warmer air to move in from the west. These red colours arriving for Saturday and Sunday. So although there'll be some cloud and perhaps some rain at first this weekend as weak weather fronts tumble their way across the country, the main theme is that it's going to turn sunnier again countrywide and hotter weather arriving, particularly in the south. So plenty more of this remarkable summer to continue and little sign of very useful rainfall for many areas as we go through the next 7 days. More updates, of course, on the Met Office website, where you can check the forecast for your location and through our app and by following us on social media. Bye-bye.